Okay, everyone, thank you for joining me here at Fluid Arts by Elsa. Today, we are going to be working on a 14 by 14 inch canvas. I am putting on my gloves here while I speak to you guys. And we are going to go ahead and get started. I am going to show you what I'm flooding my base with. I have no idea what this color is, but this is probably from a few videos ago that I mixed this beautiful blue color. Take a look at this. So I don't know what it is. It's been sitting in this cup. I am using it today. So it has to be an Amsterdam paint with white to kind of make it this pale blue color. So let's go ahead, let's begin. So we're flooding this. No air bubbles. That's how long it's been sitting here. So I'm gonna blow this out using my hair dryer. Let's begin. I saved a little bit in here, as you can see. That's in case I have to touch up my sides. So now that my canvas has been flooded, we are going to see the colors we're using. Okay. So we are starting with Phthalo Turquoise Blue by Amsterdam. Look how beautiful that is. So this is the color we're starting with. And I'm just gonna go right here and there. Beautiful. Next I have Vivid White by Pebeo. I want to lighten this baby up a little bit. Okay. Next color I have Iridescent Blue Green by Pebeo. Okay. I love the color palette already. Next color I have Royal Navy by DecoArt, and you want to be very light-handed with this color because Deco tends to take over. Okay. Next color I have Iridescent Silver by Pebeo. Next color I have, and this is a little darker, Indanthrene Blue by Holbein. Again, very light-handed with this one. Perfect. And I love the contrast there. And last I have Manganese Blue Hue by Golden. Okay, so those are my colors. We're gonna torch out the air bubbles a little more. I am adding a little more of the base blue around it just to help it flow a little more. Just like that. Okay. There we go. And now we're gonna go ahead and get started. Let's go. Oh, wow. I'm kind of uniting that petal there, drawing this out like that. Oh, I love this. What a beautiful, again, very subtle. Love how the bursts of white are coming through. What a stunning piece here. Love it. So let's torch out a few of the air bubbles. We don't have a lot. Wow, 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 wow. Okay, guys, you know the drill. Let's get to it. Come see. Okay, everyone, so take a look at this. She is a beauty. I love it. I am happy with this one. What a gorgeous piece. Absolutely beautiful. So look at the color palette. Tell me what you think about this one. But most importantly, tell me what you think about these cells. Look at them. Love the white. Absolutely gorgeous. It is a stunning piece. Check that out. Look at this border. Look at this. Wow. Tell me, guys, what you think about this one. I am so excited. This is gorgeous for sure. Look at this. Look at the webbing, the cells. How gorgeous this color palette works together. Tell me what you think about this one. Check her out. Look at this. Wow. Look at that. Beautiful. Cells encasing cells here. Love that border. I'm super happy that I decided to add the Indanthrene Blue by Holbein. It needed that depth. And look at her. Leave your comments in the comment section below. Tell me what you think about this gorgeous, gorgeous piece. Gorgeous blowout. Beautiful motion in this piece. I can't wait for this one to dry. I love the addition of the white. It is just a stunner. Gorgeous. All right. Thank you for joining me. Don't forget, if you like what you see, subscribe to my channel. I appreciate you. I appreciate all of your support or your comments. Share, like, subscribe. See you guys in the next video. Thank you for joining me. Bye.